Companies have a big responsibility to take in implementing AI at work. I am Jochem de Groot. I am the Corporate Affairs Director for Microsoft here in the Netherlands. I think AI can be used in a lot of ways to improve work. A lot of mundane tasks that we currently still have done by people can actually be done by AI in all kinds of ways. Robotics can give a whole new dimension to doing these tasks, and that leaves room for people to do actually more creative, meaningful, and empathetic work. Companies have a big responsibility to take in implementing AI at work. Companies obviously have an interest in making their processes more efficient, to automate them in a way that actually improves their business model. At the same time, they have a key responsibility for their employees to still have a meaningful job and a job that actually builds on the support of AI. There's no question that policy and regulations are needed to make sure that the adoption of AI in the workplace is streamlined. You can think about a lot of different things in that domain, but specifically it's important that workers' rights are protected as we move forward. So algorithmic applications in the workplace and on platforms specifically do raise concerns when it comes to automation. So from our perspective, we believe that the intervention of humans both in building, designing, implementing and checking these systems is crucial. So a human intervention must always be possible, and it should be at the core of the whole thinking about this concept. When it comes to policy challenges in the field of AI, there are three things that come to mind. First is the dimension of the ethics of artificial intelligence. What are principles and standards that we want to actually use in using artificial intelligence across the board? This is a debate that should be had locally, regionally, and globally with all stakeholders involved, not simply the companies or the governments, but everybody who has a stake in this future. The second element concerns the position and rights of workers. Workers are going to be facing a very fast and different environment in due course when AI permeates the workplace. So we have to think about how workers are going to be protected and how they are going to actually be able to sustain a meaningful and creative work process. I'm personally very optimistic and excited about the possibilities of AI in healthcare. I think there are going to be a lot of breakthroughs in the coming years, now that both data and the applications themselves are up to par to actually take the next step, and to alleviate a lot of work by doctors, nurses, practitioners that are busy with a lot of admin, a lot of work that does not focus on the core of what they do, which is healing people. And I think that AI will be a massive contributor to that field. I don't believe that AI will be the manager of the future. If you look at artificial general intelligence, which is currently an issue that is dominating debates, I don't think that will surface, if at all. It will be in a very distant future, and I think that humanity will be up to the task to make sure that it's always in control.